Today I'm working with both my sons, so that's Matthew and David. We've left our village, we're now passing through Murrow. The next village down is going to be Guyhirn, and we've got 18 cleans for the day. So will we do it? Who knows? Follow along, find out. This is clean number 2 of the day. I'm working around the back. You'll see Matthew and David, they're working around the front. It's quite a large property and there's a big conservatory that goes with this, which you'll see later. And yeah, we're all using the X-Line brushes with the rinse bar. You can see it's absolutely brilliant. Great flow of water going down the windows with that. Here we are cleaning the conservatory. It's full of cobwebs in places, lots of nooks and crannies you've got to get the bristles in to make sure you get everything nice and clean. There's a tricky part to this conservatory near where they've got the hot tub, so just use your head a bit. And I've done this a few times, so this is how I clean this area anyway, and I've never had any complaints so far. Me and David are working together on this one. Matthew's working on the house next door, and then opposite this there's 2 small cottages that we're also going to clean. Also, the other neighbours to this house, we cleaned them a couple of days ago. They're on a different round. They asked us to clean them on a different day, which we did a couple of days ago, and Matthew just pointed out, wouldn't it make sense if we moved them onto this round going forward? It'll just make life a lot easier and it keeps everything still in sync. So that's what we're going to do. Don't you just love Juliet balconies? Well, because I use the Gardener quick lock system, not only is it easy to change the brushes around, you can change the orientation. So rather than the brush being horizontal, you can see here it's vertical, which suits me, so I can get up between these Juliet balconies and get in there. It's a lot easier said than done when it's full of cobwebs, mine, because you know the cobwebs are good Klingons. Clean number 8, Matthew and David, they're going to start the front. I'm going to go around the back, but I'm having to use my ladders. Normally this gate is always unlocked, but I guess as it's kids off school, people are probably out for the day. But we got up and over using the ladders. As you can see, clean number 9 is a bungalow. It's a good sized bungalow with a conservatory. David, he started at the front. Me and Matthew started halfway round on the conservatory each, and then we work our way round to the front. That way it's easier for David to clean because he's got the trolley, so he's closer to the van. That's why we've done it that way. And it's surprising how big a bungalow takes up on the ground in terms of floor space when compared to a house. Got to be really careful when reaching across here. The windows are open. I don't want to slip with the brush and end up soaking the inside of someone's room. And the X-line brush is heavier than that gardener's one. But we got there anyway. You can see here we're on clean number 11. After we've done this clean, we've popped home because it's just gone lunchtime, and we've also needed to top up the van with water. So we've come back. Opposite this house is where we're going to be doing the next 2 cleans as well. And as you've probably worked out, I'm cleaning around the back here because Matthew and David started around the front. Matthew does go round and do the sides of this house. David, once he's done the front, comes round here and he's going to help me finish a window and a door whilst I'm finishing this bifold. In fact, you've just seen David there having to remove those curtains or whatever it is that people hang down to stop the flies getting in the house. While I'm on clean number 13, Matthew and David are working to the next door neighbours to the right of what I'm cleaning. That one's clean number 12. So we can park the car on someone's drive and basically put the hose over the fence for me to come to this house. So we're getting 2 done at the same time. Now that is one of the advantages of 2 of you, or in this case 3 of us working out the van, so that when we have got houses all close to each other, we can actually split up and start doing them in teams of 1 and a team of 2, or if they're all bungalows we could even probably do 1 each. So it's nice to have that ability, but it is ineffective when you're having to drive around from house to house, unless of course they end up being a big house anyway, and then we're not there that long with all 3 of us, which I do find is sometimes a good thing for the customer because we always tend to turn up at awkward times when they need to get out and get away. This is clean number 16. It's a bungalow with a conservatory. Me and Matthew around the back, David's at the front with the trolley, and next door we've also cleaned that one, which is another bungalow with a conservatory. We worked as a team of 3 on that one before we came here. Two properties down, we're now onto this big sized house. Again, Matthew and David, they're working together around the front, I'm around the back, and then what will happen is Matthew will get ahead of David and he'll end up helping me around the back of this property. Now, even though this is only 2 villages away from where I am, it's still like a 7-8 minute drive to get there, but at least all the work in that one area is nice and compact in the village, which helps us out, and it also means it's easy to pop home as well for a refill, something to eat and a cup of tea. Hello everyone, that's it. That's me, Matthew and David. We're all done. We're now back at home, finished the last clean at 4. We're just, like I said, in Guyhirn, so it's a couple of villages down from where I live, so local. Just got home, so the van's going to get refilled and all the good stuff ready for tomorrow. 18 cleans done, finished by 4. That's good. And obviously there's 3 of us working though, so David's help has helped us out with the barrels and the 45 litre X-line trolley, but we're going to look at other means for that to make us more efficient. But anyway, thanks for watching.